Have you ever wondered where innovation really starts? Not in machines, not in code, not in factories. It starts in the mind of a human being, someone who dares to say, "What if?" Every world-changing invention began as a tiny thought, a spark, a moment of curiosity. When Thomas Edison dreamed of the light bulb, people laughed at him. When the Wright brothers imagined flying, the world said humans are not birds. When Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook in his dorm room, no one saw a global movement. They only saw a school project. Even in Africa, innovation started with bold dreamers. Young Africans in Kenya building M-Pesa, a mobile money system that helped millions access banking without entering a bank. Or Nigeria's Paystack, built by two young men with laptops and a vision, now powering digital payments across Africa and beyond. This is the truth. Innovation isn't born from technology. It is born from need, imagination, and courage. Think about it. Electricity didn't exist until someone got tired of darkness. GPS wasn't invented until someone got tired of getting lost. Even something as simple as the umbrella started because someone got tired of being rained on. Behind every invention is a human problem, and behind every solution is a human dreamer. The spark of innovation is not magic. It is a decision to believe that things can be better. Today, technology looks big: AI, robotics, drones, space tech, but all of them began as little ideas in someone's mind. Just like yours, innovation is not far away. It is inside everyday people. Inside the student learning how to code. Inside the young creator with a notebook of ideas. Inside the technician repairing radios and dreaming of building his own media company. Inside the African youth who sees problems not as barriers, but as invitations to invent. The world you live in today, everything you touch, is a collection of someone's imagination turned into reality. So the question is no longer who will invent the future. The question is, will you be part of it? Because innovation is not about having resources. It's about having resourcefulness. It is not about being a genius. It's about being curious. It is not about waiting for change. It is about becoming the change. The spark is already inside you. And sometimes, the first step toward innovation is the courage to imagine something different.